Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be creating a login form that looks like this. So yeah, this is gonna be a pretty good and cool looking one. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so let's get started. First we gotta declare the document type, that's gonna be HTML, language, English, and head section. The character set is UTF-8. Viewport content width equals device width. Initial scale is gonna be 1. And then let's set a title. A glowing, real good looking input form. Alright. Then let's link the CSS style sheet. So style.css. Then I'm also gonna need some icons. So style sheet, and the href is going to be a Cloudflare link. There we go. And then I need the body. Alright, now I'm gonna open this with live server. There we go. And let's get going. So first let's create a division with the class of login form, and inside a division that's gonna say text, and inside we say login. Okay, then we gotta go to a new row and let's create the form itself. Inside I'm gonna have a division with the class of field, and then a division with the class, this is gonna be an icon, so FA envelope, there we go. And input, this is gonna be for the email, so text. Let's also add a label here. Or actually no, let's not do that. Let's say input type text and placeholder, enter your email. Alright. Then another one. This is also going to get the class of field, and division class FAS FA lock. Then new row, and this is going to be an input, and the type will be password, placeholder, enter your password. There we go. Okay. Then a button that says login, like that. And then lastly we're gonna ask not registered, and if not, we are going to say sign up now. Alright, there we go, looking good, looking good. So next we have the style sheet. Yes, let's start creating the site. First I'm gonna import a Google font. There we go. And then I'm gonna use the asterisk to select all the items. So margin 0, padding 0, and the font family is going to be Poppins, backed up by sans serif. There we go. Let's take the body, display flex, height will be 100 viewport height units, and the text alignment will be center. Alright, then align items, center, and justify content, center, and the background color will be 151515. There we go. Alright. After the body, we gotta get the login form class, and the position will be relative. The width will be 370 pixels. Height, auto. Let's see, border 4 pixels solid. Alright. The background color will be 1B, 1B, 1B. Then let's add some padding. There we go. So it's gonna be this division with the login text. Alright. Let's set the box sizing to be a border box. I'm gonna add a border of 1 pixel solid black. I'm gonna add border radius 5 pixels to smooth the corners, and box shadow inset 001 pixel and 27. There we go. Okay. Then let's get the text. So that's gonna be the input box for the email. So text, font size 30 pixels. Oh, sorry, not the input box. It's gonna be the text for the login. Yeah, and the color will be C7, 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 and then we got a font weight of bold and letter spacing 2 pixels. There we go. Okay. Then form, I'm just gonna take the form, margin top 40 pixels. Alright. So that's what it's looking right now. Then I'm gonna go inside of the form and I'm gonna take the fields. So form and select the field and margin top 20 pixels and display flex. There we go. Let's get the field and the icons. Height 50 pixels, width 60 pixels. Color will be that one. And the font size will be 20 pixels. Yeah. What about 24? Let's go with that. Okay. Line height 50 pixels. There we go. Let's add a slight border like that. No border on the right side. There we go. And a little bit of radius. So 5 pixels, 5 pixels. In case you don't remember, this is the top right, this is the right bottom, left bottom, and top left. Yeah, so it goes like do. So first it's this one, then this one, then this corner, and then this corner. So it goes clockwise and begins from the upper right corner. So yeah, then the background is gonna be a linear gradient, 3 and 2 There we go. So we get that little, almost like metal looking feel to it. Then we gotta take the field. So let's take the class field and the inputs and then the form and the button, and then height 50 pixels, width, let's set it to be 100%, then outline will be none, font size 19, let's say, yeah, color, there we go, padding 0 and 15 on the sides, border radius 0, 5 pixels, 5 pixels and 0, border 1 pixel solid, 444, caret color 339933. Okay, and the background will be a linear gradient from those two values. There we go. So we got the input fields and then the button. Alright. And up next we have the input and the focus. Pseudo class, so let's make the color 339933. There we go. Let's add a box shadow of 005 pixels RGBA, 255, 0 and 0.2. And inset 005 pixels, 0.1, and I'm missing a comma. There we go. Alright, so now when we select these, we will get that little hovering effect. Okay. Let's put these on a separate line, and then background, linear gradient, 333, 933, 222922. Alright. And there's one extra 2. And animation, glow 0.75 seconds, ease out, infinite, alternate. Alright. And keyframes, glow. So border color. There we go, box shadow. There we go, and inset 005 pixels RGBA. Alright. And here let's add a box shadow. And there we go. Alright, then I'm gonna select the button. So button, let's add some margin top, let's say 30 pixels. Border radius 5 pixels, and this is important. There we go. Font weight 600, make it a little bit bolder, add a little letter spacing of 1 pixel and make the cursor a pointer when we hover. Then let's take the button and the hover pseudo class. Color will be 3399333. Border 1 pixel solid. There we go, and a box shadow. There we go, the first value. I'm gonna need a total of 4. Alright. And this increases all the time by 5 pixels, and 20 pixels is gonna be the last value. Actually, no. It's gonna be 020 black. Alright, then we gotta take the link, margin top 25 pixels, color 86, 86, 86. Alright, and then take the link and the anchor tag inside, color 339933, and text decoration none. Okay, so there we go. Then let's get the link and the hover pseudo class for the anchor tag. So when we hover, the text decoration should be underline. So there we go. Okay, so this is what we have right now. I'm gonna go over here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do one small change over here. I'm gonna make the flex direction a column, like that. Alright, and then maybe I'm gonna change this to be white. Alright, maybe a little bit less of the padding. Let's say 15 pixels. Alright, I guess that's good. Alright. So there we go. Anyways, this is gonna be it for this login form. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and yeah. In my opinion, this is a pretty cool looking one. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching everyone, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.